Electricity, Benjamin Franklin, 1759. Watch, Peter Henley, 1510. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi, 1895. Electric bulb, Thomas Alva Edison, 1879. Telegraph, Samuel Morse, 1830. Automobile, Carl Benz, 1885. Transformer, Michael Faraday, 1885. Airplane, Wright Brothers, 1903. Camera, Nicephore Niepce, 1816. LED, Oleg Losev, 1962. Gravity, Sir Isaac Newton, 1687. Battery, Alessandro Volta, 1799. Induction motor, Nikola Tesla, 1885. Diesel engine, Rudolf Diesel, 1858. Dynamite, Alfred Nobel, 1867. Leap, Elisha Ortiz, 1853. Mobile phone, Martin Cooper, 1973. Printing press, Johannes Gutenberg, 1440. Steam engine, Thomas Newcomen, 1698. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell, 1876. Electric generator, Michael Faraday, 1831. Television, John Logie Baird, 1927. Calculator, Blaise Pascal, 1642. Refrigerator, William Cullen, 1927. Atomic bomb, Robert Oppenheimer, 1945. Rocket engine, Robert Goddard, 1926. Typewriter, Christopher Latham Scholz, 1878. Polythene, Eric Fawcett, 1933. Oxygen, Carl Wilhelm, 1773. Acid, Albert Hofmann, 1938. Anesthesia, William Morton, 1846. Pasteurization, Louis Pasteur, 1864. LCD, George H. Elmier, 1888. Blood group, Karl Landsteiner, 1900. Homeopathy and allopathy, Samuel Hahnemann, World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee, 1989. Search engine, Alan Emtez, 1990. Smartphone, IBM, 1992. Email, Ray Tomlinson, 1971. Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, 1998. Laptop, Adam Osborne, 1981. Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. Missile, W. Von Braun. Solar system, Nicholas Copernicus. 16th century. Wireless communication, Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, 1895. Rockets, Tipu Sultan, 1780.